Cooper's Couch has landed at Philip Alcorn's place, Araluen, near Harden in the New South Wales southwest slopes. Philip, thanks for having us.
Not a problem at all.
What are you doing here? Tell us about your operation.
Righto, our operation is a mixed farming operation. It consists of growing cereals, oilseeds, cattle and sheep. Predominantly our largest side of the business is cattle production.
And where are you sourcing those cattle?
We source them from our own herd. We have our own cows and calves, and then we also buy steers in from local areas on the Monaro, Yass, Carcoar, and them sort of areas.
So what are the significant health issues that your cattle face?
In a dry season like this, you run into respiratory disorders and pink eye for sure, yeah.
And what are the go-to vaccines and approaches?
Bavillus MHIBR for respiratory, it's proven, and we use Piligard at marking in the calves for pink eye.
How significant is bovine respiratory disease on cattle?
Quite significant, and I would say more significant than the average producer would realise. The risks for our business are that your herd ends up with respiratory disorder and you get a severe loss of production, and then also you have the added costs of vetting those animals and the work and the isolating those animals, and it's just a severe loss of production.
And I guess the fact that you do source cattle from a multitude of places, some of your own, breeding your own, but,
Yep.
but buying in, does that magnify the risk?
It certainly can. If not knowing the full history of all animals, basically any animal that we do purchase, we have to assume the worst and hope for the best.
How long have you been using Bavillus MH plus IBR?
5 years. 5 years.
What made you take that approach?
I didn't want the job of fixing the problems. I wanted to prevent them. And also we had some feedback from some of the feedlots that we were supplying that the cattle that had been pre-vaccinated with it were doing really well. We started to implement it into our own herd here, and then we found that the feedlots actually preferred those cattle and come to source them first, the cattle that had been vaccinated.
Well, indeed, they put a premium on them. They put their money where their mouth was and said,
They have, yeah.
go for the Bavillus MH plus
Yeah.
IBR. That would have been a pretty easy decision for you to make then.
Well,
Follow the money.
It does. We're all in a world where you have to make a profit to survive, and if they're going to pay you to give your animal a vaccine that will save you issues and then them issues down the track, it's got to be done.
Well, it sounds like you're sold on Bavillus MH plus IBR. Is it the sort of thing you do recommend to your neighbours and your friends and other producers?
100%. Yep. If anybody was to ask me, I'd say it's not really a question. The question would be, why aren't you doing it?
Thanks very much for having us here at Araluen. Good luck for the season ahead. You can join us the next time the Cooper's Couch lands on a property near you.